हेलो, नमस्ते बच्चों। आप कैसे हैं? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर वेल. ओके, कैन यू रिमेंबर व्हाट वी लर्नड ऑन द प्रीवियस क्लास? चिड़िया को किन किन से प्यार है? What and all the bird likes? What and all the bird likes? I explained in about 3 paras. In 3 paras, what it is there? Bird likes food. In the first para we learned bird likes food, isn't it? Bird likes to eat, bird likes food. Then in the second para we learned birds likes to be in a lonely place. It likes to be in a lonely place. Okay, then the third para we learned like bird likes rivers. Bird likes rivers, isn't it? Okay, let's start our lesson. All take your textbook. Take lesson 1. पाठ का नाम क्या है? What is the name of the lesson? वह चिड़िया जो. वह चिड़िया जो. Write today's date and day on the up of the lesson. What is the date today? 29/9/2020. What is the day? मंगलवार. Tuesday means मंगलवार. Okay. यह कविता किसने लिखा है? Who wrote this poem? Do you know? Kedarnath Agrawal. He is a famous poet. He has written this poem. Kedarnath Agrawal. Okay, let me read the lesson. Listen carefully, my dear students, and read with me. वह चिड़िया जो चोंच मारकर दूध भरे जुंडी के दाने रुचि से रस्से खा लेती है. वह छोटी संदोषी चिड़िया नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ, मुझे अन्न से बहुत प्यार है. Once more I am reading. Listen carefully. वह चिड़िया जो चोंच मारकर दूध भरे जुंडी के दाने रुचि से रस्से खा लेती है. वह छोटी संदोषी चिड़िया नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ, मुझे अन्न से बहुत प्यार है. What is the meaning of चिड़िया? चिड़िया means bird. चिड़िया means bird. Bird. What is the meaning of chonch? Chonch means beak. Beak. Chonch means beak. Then, what is the meaning of दूध भरे? दूध भरे means filled with milk or added with milk. जुंडी के दाने. जुंडी के दाने. Millet seeds. Millets, okay. Then संदोषी, happiest. Happiest. नीले, blue. पंखों, wings. Wings. Then अन्न, food. Food. प्यार, love. Okay, let me read the lesson and explain. वह चिड़िया जो. वह चिड़िया जो means that bird. That bird, वह चिड़िया क्या कर रहा है? What is that bird doing? वह चिड़िया जो चोंच मारकर. चोंच मारकर means चोंच we learned beak. Beating with the beak. Beating means that bird which is taking with the beak now food and all. That only they are telling beating with the beak. जोंच मार कर. Beating with the beak. दूध भरे जुंडी के दाने. Filled with the seeds of millet, which is filled with milk. The millet seeds, which is filled with the milk. तुझी से रस से खा लेती है. Eating very tastefully and enjoyingly. Enjoyingly it is eating. What it is eating? दूध भरे जुंडी के दाने. The millet seeds, which is filled with milk, it is eating with the beak very tastefully. So वह चिड़िया, that bird which is eating the millet which is filled with milk, how it is eating? It is eating very enjoyfully. वह छोटी संतोषी चिड़िया. वह छोटी संतोषी चिड़िया. That bird, by beating that by beating the beak, that bird is eating the seeds of millet very tastefully and enjoyfully. चिड़िया क्या खाती हैं? Millet, isn't it? वह छोटी संतोषी चिड़िया. That small happiest bird. That small happiest bird. नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. I am. Which color is that bird? नीले पंखों. नीले means blue. Blue winged bird. It is the bird which is having blue wing. मुझे अन्न से बहुत प्यार है. I like food very much. Anna means food. I like food very much. So here it is explaining that what it is explaining. Bird is eating the millets very happily with his beak, and its color, its feather is blue in color, and it is very happy. That bird is very happy and it likes to eat. It likes food. अन्न से बहुत प्यार है. सो वह चिड़िया जो झोंच मारकर दूध भरे झुंडी के दाने रुचि से रस से खा लेती है. It is eating the millets very enjoyfully and happily, and by tasting very nicely it is eating the millets which is filled with milk. That bird is very happy. That bird is very happy by seeing the food, and its feather color what? Blue color. It is a blue feathered bird, and it likes to eat. That only the first para. Then second para. वह चिड़िया जो कंठ खोलकर बूढ़े वन बाबा की खातिर रस उंडेल कर गा लेती है. वह छोटी मुख बोली चिड़िया नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. Once more I am reading. वह चिड़िया जो खंड खोल कर बूढ़े वन बाबा की खातिर रस उंडेल कर गा लेती है. वह छोटी मुँह बोली चिड़िया नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. Means वह जो चिड़िया जो, that bird, what that bird is doing? खंड खोल कर. खंड means what? खंड, throat. खंड means throat. खंड खोल कर means opening the throat. Opening, खोलना, तो opening the throat. Opening the throat. Then बूढ़े, old man. Old man. रस उंडेल कर गा लेती है. रस उंडेल कर means pouring. वह छोटी मुँह बोली चिड़िया. मुँह, what is the meaning of मुँह? Mouth. नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. विजन means loneliness. Okay. वह चिड़िया जो खंड खोल कर बूढ़े वन बाबा की खातिर रस उंडेल कर गा लेती है. वह छोटी मुँह बोली चिड़िया नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. वह चिड़िया जो, that bird, what is that bird doing? कंठ खोल कर. It is opening its throat. For opening, for why? For what it is opening the throat? Boote van Baba ki khatir. Here that forest it is explaining as the old man. That forest is, they are comparing that forest with the old man. So it is going to the forest, and there it will be very silent now. So there it is going, and it is undel kar hai, pouring the tastiness of that sound. It is by happily there, it is that bird is going to the forest and singing. That bird is going to the forest and singing by opening its throat. So that वह छोटी मुँह बोली चिड़िया, चिड़िया, that bird having small mouth, that small mouth it is opening and singing. नीले पंगों वाली मैं हूँ, मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. I like loneliness. I like to be there where it is very silent. So I am going to the forest, and there I am opening my mouth and I am singing. So by keeping us what that forest, that forest is here, it is comparing as an old man, and that old man where it is eating means it will be very silent only. He won't shout and also like that this forest also will be very silent. So this bird is likes to go there, and it will sing by opening its throat. It will sing by opening its throat. मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. I like to be there in the loneliness. So first para we learned like it likes to eat, it likes foods. In this second para we learned that it likes to be there in the loneliness. Okay, so okay, चिड़िया अपने खंड खोलकर मधुर स्वर से खाती है. Bird sings by opening its throat. That bird likes loneliness. Okay, my dear kids, have you understand these two paras? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can clarify it with me in our Zoom meeting. Okay, my dear kids. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to ask me. We can clarify in our Zoom meeting. Okay, my dear kids. Dhanyavad. Okay.